Do you have Windows Home Edition? Or maybe you've thought about installing one. So what? You'll regret it later, right? Unless it doesn't make any difference at all. That's why today we'll talk about whether it's even worth paying extra for the professional version, because maybe the home version is more than enough for you. My name is Pavel and I invite you to watch this video. Windows Pro, compared to the home version, offers many additional benefits that can significantly impact your daily computer use. First of all, Windows Pro is designed with more advanced users and businesses in mind. It offers additional features that increase security, productivity, and control. One of the biggest advantages of Windows Pro is the BitLocker feature, which allows for full disk encryption. Thanks to this, your device is protected against unauthorized access, which is especially important in case your computer is lost or stolen. Having a password on Windows doesn't significantly change the level of security it provides. All it takes is unscrewing a few screws and your drive can be removed. By connecting it to a desktop or putting it into another laptop, a third party instantly gets access to everything that's on the drive. Piece of cake. For this reason, on any company computer, at least in a reputable organization, you'll never find Windows Home installed. It's true that there is no shortage of encryption software on the market, like VeraCrypt, but these require much more knowledge and experience, and their functionality isn't always what we would expect. If you value simplicity, convenience, and security, then without a doubt it's better to go with BitLocker. But do you really need it on your home computer? Statistically, laptops are lost or stolen more frequently. I wonder how many people worldwide have ever lost a desktop computer. The Pro Edition also allows you to use Remote Desktop, which lets you connect to your computer from anywhere in the world. This is invaluable for people who work remotely or travel frequently, who need access to their files and applications no matter where they are. Many alternatives already exist here. It's true that TeamViewer has become extremely intrusive, but AnyDesk offers interesting features, and Chrome Remote Desktop is relatively simple and almost reliable. But no matter what, the Remote Desktop built into the system will always be more convenient. The Group Policy Management feature in Windows Pro allows for advanced management of network and system settings. This allows network administrators to uniformly implement security policies, applications, and settings across the organization, which is particularly beneficial in business environments. At home? Not really. Windows Pro also offers Hyper-V, which is a tool for creating and managing virtual machines. Thanks to this, you can test software, run different operating systems, and even isolate potentially dangerous applications, minimizing the risk to your main system. And although virtual machines are an essential tool for developers, administrators, security enthusiasts, or businesses, an average user probably won't have such a need. Unless, of course, you'd like to try your hand at testing a Linux distribution. Then you can install a new operating system, but not on your computer. Instead, literally in a window inside your Windows. When you click full screen, you essentially have a different machine within your own, hence the name virtual machine. If you download viruses there or mess things up so badly that the system becomes unrecoverable, it's really not a problem at all. Fix it or delete it and set up a new machine. You can do that quickly. Virtual machines are a deep topic that won't be covered in detail here due to time constraints. For a dedicated video on this, comment like and subscribe to the channel. I'll just add that although Hyper-V is already available in the Professional Edition and higher, we still have to manually enable virtualization in the basic input-output system and the Hyper-V service itself in the system. There are many network alternatives, but they require a few additional steps. Another advantage of the Pro version is Windows Update for Business, which gives you greater control over how and when updates are deployed. You can then manage updates in a more flexible way, ensuring that they don't disrupt your daily business operations. For home users, this change doesn't significantly impact them, so it's no surprise that the home version lacks this functionality. Windows Information Protection is another advanced feature in Windows Pro that helps protect company data, for example, from accidental leaks. Thanks to it, you can manage data, set access policies, and track the entire flow of information within the company. You probably won't use this at home either. Windows Pro also comes with other tools, such as Assign Access, which allows you to restrict a user's access, let's say, to only one application. This is an ideal solution for kiosks or points of sale, anywhere you need to minimize the risk of unauthorized access to the system. Do you need something like that at home? Well, probably not, unless one of your kids really got on your nerves and you only give them access to, let's say, some educational program. So, Windows Pro offers a wide range of features and tools that far exceed the capabilities of the home version. Thanks to this, Pro is the perfect solution for users who need more control, security, and flexibility. This material is incomplete, but I'll ask you now anyway. Now that you know all the differences between the Home and Pro versions, which one do you choose? Do you think all those Pro features are useful, maybe even essential? Or are they actually completely irrelevant to you? Please explain in the comment below. If you have the Home version and still want to upgrade to Pro, it's actually very simple. Contrary to what you might think, you don't have to reinstall the entire system. Your applications won't even be affected. To do this, press the Start button and type the word Activation, then open these settings. Click the button to change the product key and enter the new one for the Windows Professional version. Press Enter, and as you can see on my computer, I received a nice message about unlocking all the features of Windows Pro. Simple, right? Wow, wait a moment. Let's go back a bit. Where do you get a key for a new installation or upgrade?